Hi there, welcome to Tuesday's market commentary. Got a chart on the screen right here of the S&P 500, which was up a little bit today, about 21 points. It's actually a pretty good rally today on extremely light volume. Anytime the volume's that light, we don't really confirm a rally is a true rally. So we're going to say we're up 21 points here on the S&P, and we've got a support level down here about 841. Resistance started back here in first part of November, towards the end of November. Hit it again over here, first part of December. Come across December, and now still here at 841, still our resistance level, and we're going to go all the way up here to about 985 right up through here for 985 for resistance and 841 for support. So the levels we're trading between right now, 841 support and resistance, and you can see that the histograms over here are already high and it's already starting to come down a little bit, and the MACD lines are already starting to kind of cross together here. So we're still a little bit here neutral overall until we really break through the support level of 841 or cross above 985. We're going to remain neutral. Long-term bearish, since we're still making some lower highs coming across here and some lower lows. Long-term bearish, short-term neutral, and I'm going to go still stay with neutral, but even though we had an up day over here today, I'm still a little bit more bearish than I am bullish. You know, we might try to make it all the way back up here to about 900 or so, back in through here, before we try to turn around and rally back down again. But I'm still short-term bearish. We just had a little bit of rally today. Pretty good rally though, but on extremely light volume. Anytime volume is that light, you don't really hold any credence to which way the markets went. And we traded on less than 25% in normal volume today. Very, very light. So I'm going to go short-term neutral to bearish, long-term bearish, with resistance at 985, support at 841. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. And here's our NASDAQ, up about 40 points today. We've got resistance coming across here at about 1600, which is right up in this level, right up through here. 1600 is our resistance level coming across here, and our support level is down here at about 1390. Actually down here about 1398. So we're in a pretty tight little trading range, just kind of back and forth here. We broke it temporarily and came right back up, but we're still trading right in the middle of that. So we've got about 1600 on the upside and 1398 on the downside for our support and resistance levels. Long term we're still bearish, and short term a little neutral to slightly bearish on the short term as well. You can see that the histograms over here, they've stopped moving higher. They're actually starting to pull back just a little bit, indicating there's a better chance that we're still a little overbought and ready for a small pullback. Doesn't mean it has to happen. We're going to have extremely light volume for the rest of this week, and really until next week starts, we're not going to have any higher volume. We're open tomorrow, Wednesday, closed Thursday, open Friday, and until the traders start to come back next Monday, we're still going to see some really light volume. And in that light volume, we could go up, we could go down very easily in either direction. But whichever way we do move, it's not a true move because there's really no buyers or sellers out there. It's just moving because there's a lack of buyers and sellers out there. So keep that in mind on your trading, and I wish you the best going forward.